In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your content with Trello. We're going to set up a clean, simple workflow using a ready-made template, then tailor it so your content ideas move smoothly from planning to completion. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is your command center where all boards live. Once you're there, select Create Board. Trello offers a few ways to begin, but to make this fast and consistent, choose Start with a template. Templates give you a solid structure so you don't have to design everything from scratch. For this walkthrough, pick the project management template. It's flexible and works great for content pipelines because it already includes lists that mirror a natural production flow. When the template preview opens, give your new board a clear, descriptive title. A helpful approach is to combine your channel or team name with the focus of the board, like Content Calendar or Q2 Video Production. Consistent naming makes it easier to find and share later. Next, choose the board's visibility. Private keeps the board restricted to you and anyone you explicitly invite. Workspace visible is best for teams, letting everyone in your workspace see it. Public makes it visible on the web, which is rarely necessary for content planning. When in doubt, keep it private or workspace visible to protect drafts and schedules. After that, click Create, and Trello will generate your board using the template structure. Now let's tune the workflow list to match content work. You'll see a to-do list. Use this for new ideas and plan pieces that haven't started yet. Keep titles short and clear so you can scan them quickly. You'll also see a pending list. Treat this as in progress or waiting. For example, scripts being drafted, graphics being prepared, or posts awaiting review. If something can't move forward, park it in blocked. This is your early warning area. Add a brief note in the card description about what's missing so you can resolve it quickly. Finally, move finished pieces into done. This becomes your record of published or delivered items, which is helpful for reporting and retrospectives. As you work, simply drag items between lists to reflect their status. If you like, you can add details such as owners, due dates, and checklists directly on cards to make handoffs easier, but the core flow remains the same. To do, pending, blocked, done. With this structure in place, you'll have a reliable system to capture ideas, track progress, and ship content consistently.